Hello guys and welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome. I hope you're doing well. So today I thought I would unbox my Allure Beauty Box for the month of June 2025 with you guys. When I last unboxed my Allure Beauty Box, some of you guys seemed to enjoy it, so I thought I would do this month's box with you as well. I received it on Monday, but as you guys know, I was traveling, so I did not had a chance to open it yet, so I thought we would do it together. Okay you guys, so here is how it is on the inside. I know that we are receiving Buxom lip liner, but rest I don't know what we are receiving. So first thing I see this Head and Hair Heal shampoo. What brand it is? This is from brand Maria. I don't know this brand, but that's my name. I hope you guys can see. So this is their vegan, animal friendly, soothing shampoo. I hope this is sulfates and paraben free. So I did some research and this brand is actually vegan, cruelty free, and also paraben and sulfates free as well, which is a very nice thing, and they have pretty good reviews. It's a mini size which typically goes for $16. So let's see what else we have. Okay, and also we have this Buxom Power Liner. Mine is in the shade Dangerous Dolly. And let's see on the inside. I have never tried their lip liners, so I'm excited to have it in my life. It's a full size of lip liner, and here is how the tip is for it. I already have a lot of lipstick on, but let's see how the shade is. Okay guys, I just realized it's a dual-ended lip liner. One side is this liner and other side is this brush. So I thought I would use it on my bare lips. I removed my lipstick to show you guys the shade and the formula. And it's a very beautiful formula, went on smoothly and looked really pretty. My lips are very chapped because of traveling, but I like the formula and the shade for this lip liner. Then also they send me this Vanilla Baby Luxury Oil from brand Truly. Now this is a very nice brand. It is vegan and cruelty free as well. So let's open this. I have tried one of their body lotions which was pretty nice, but one thing I want to say about this brand is their body care expires very fast. The lotion I had, after like few days, few weeks, I see some water in it, so I threw that away, but the formula was really very nice. So this is their luxury body oil. It have a lot of gorgeous shimmers on the inside, and this one is in vanilla. I'm actually very excited to receive it because I don't have any body oils at the moment, so I think it's nice to receive this. I think we need to open it from here. So it comes with this lid, and this is the oil. This smells amazing, you guys, so beautiful. It's very nice vanilla scent. I love vanilla scent. So let's do a little bit testing on my hand. Okay, formula feels very nice and hydrating, and it smells beautiful. I hope you guys can see. It is giving some shimmery glow to my hand, and it smells very nice. This is one of the very nice items I received, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to use it a lot. I don't have any body oils, as I said. Then they also send me, okay, so they send me shampoo and conditioner from this brand. It calls Maria Nila. So there are these two items included. They also send me this product. What is this? This is from Luna Nectar Neptune Hydrate and Blur Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Okay, one thing that I have to have in my skincare routine is hyaluronic acid serum. I cannot live without hyaluronic acid serum. I always need to have a very good quality hyaluronic acid serum because I have very dry skin, and when I stop using hyaluronic acid, I feel difference on my skin. This is one ingredient that I have to have in my skincare. So this is the bottle on the inside. It is so beautiful, and it looks like a full size. I have never heard of this brand before, but it calls Luna Nectar, and I will definitely use it. I go through hyaluronic acid so fast, so I'm excited to have this item. So far I like these 3 items a lot. And now let's see what else. I'm sorry you guys. Now let's see what else they send me. Okay, this is Naked Sundays Collagen Glow 100% Mineral Sunscreen. An amazing item to receive this time of the month. I love sunscreens, and I spend a lot of money on sunscreens, to be honest, because I go through sunscreens very fast. So I'm so excited to receive it. This one is made in Austria, but honestly I have not heard this brand before, and this also looks like a full size of product. So let's see on the inside how the formula is. It comes sealed. Is it a tinted sunscreen? Yeah, I see some tint in it. Here you guys can see. This looks like a tinted sunscreen to me. Let's blend this. Okay, it blended very nicely. Okay, here is how it is, you guys. The formula feels very nice, and I don't see any white cast, and it blended very nicely. It is bit on a thicker side. This is not very light, lightweight, but it feels very nice. I feel like this is a very nice formula for a sunscreen. I need to do some research on this brand. I did not know what we are receiving this month, but I do feel that last month's box was better than this one.
So I just see that it's a perfecting priming lotion, not just a sunscreen, and I love that it is a mineral sunscreen, which is very nice for you. And this brand is also really nice. They have pretty good reviews.
So yeah, these 4 items I like a lot, but I'm not sure about this shampoo and conditioner. So far this box was decent, but I will not say this is the best box, because there is no makeup items at all. I only received 1 Buxom lip pencil, and rest everything is hair care, body care, and also skin care as well.
So yeah, this is all what I have received this month, and total value for this box is approximately $156. I will link them down below in case you guys want to check them out.
I feel that I'm not that good with unboxing these boxes, but let me know how you like this video, if I should continue unboxing my boxes with you guys or not. Please let me know. I'm actually very tired because we just returned back home from vacation, but I was so excited to unbox this box with you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching me today, and I'll see you soon in my next one, and I cannot wait to read your comments. Take care and bye bye.